Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and with today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review and install of this Olixar Sentinel case for the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now this case was sent to me free of charge for my unbiased opinion and review. If you want to buy this case after this video, do check out my affiliate links down in the description. You can go to Amazon and pick this up for $9.99, and the cool thing about this particular case is that it is the case and a screen protector, so it's a complete 360 protection of your iPhone 12, so not bad at all. Now as far as the box goes, you have a pretty clear understanding of everything that you get with it. So you have the phone case here and the screen protector. Now granted, this obviously isn't an iPhone 12. Interesting that they decided to put a different phone on the front of it, but is what it is. But as you can see here, it says Sentinel case and glass screen protector. It is a 9H screen protector. You do have 360 degree protection like it says, lightweight and texturized grip. And then here on the sides, just some more verbiage. And then here on the back, a little bit of a breakdown of the features and everything about the case itself. And if you do want to scan this QR code, it is an installation guide that you can follow, which obviously I'm going to be doing that in this video, so you can watch this video as well. Now the way to get it out is just kind of pop this open here and pull everything out. So we got the case here, so we got our screen protector right here. We have all the cleaning materials that we'll need, like a cleaning wipe, looks like the little stickers to get the dust off, and then obviously a microfiber cloth. As far as the installation goes, they also include an installation guide, which basically tells you to, wipe down the screen, dry it off, and then it says to put your phone in the case and then clean the screen on the phone again if necessary, and then to install the actual screen protector at that point. So pretty unusual, because usually you want to install the screen protector first. Now as far as the actual phone case itself goes, here it is. But let's go ahead and take a peek in the inside here. So the inside, you have this pattern here that's going to be brushing up against your actual phone. So it's going to help with drop protection and everything like that. You do have some little verbiage here that says the ultimate experience. And then as far as the inside goes, there is some little X's in the bumpers here for drop protection. So it is going to be able to help with drop protection a little bit. Obviously, it's not just a rugged hardcore case, but it is going to be able to help with a few bumps and bruises. So let's go ahead and install the actual iPhone 12 into the case first. And there is the way that the case looks on the black iPhone 12. So you have this brushed metal look with some carbon fiber here at the top and bottom, but you do have a really nice cutout here for your camera bump, so it's going to be able to help protect those lenses and everything from scratches if you do place it on a table. Now as far as the carbon fiber cutouts here, obviously it's not real carbon fiber, but it does have the look of carbon fiber. So I do like the two-tone look here of the brushed metal and the carbon fiber. And then you do have this high gloss little bleed over as far as the design goes. And as far as the sides, it is a matte finish, so it stops right here. So it's brush metal, brush metal, brush metal, stops and goes to this matte finish here for a little bit better of a grip. But I feel like this texturized kind of brushed metal might have been kind of cool if it bled over, but is what it is. Now as far as the side, there is the volume up and down button and a cutout for your alert slider, and the buttons do stick up, so they're nicely raised. Dropping down to the bottom, you have a precise cutout for your lightning port and your speakers. And then here on the side, obviously your power button, which also is raised, so it makes that very easy to find it when you are looking for it. And then of course nothing at the top, but like I said, the whole entire border of the case is this matte finish. Then you have the brushed metal and the carbon fiber. Now let's go ahead and do the button test real quick and the alert slider test, and then we'll get into the install of the screen protector. So power button first. very responsive. Volume up and down buttons, very clicky, and alert slider. So everything is very nice and easy to access. So your buttons are very clicky and responsive. The alert slider is very easy to use. And then before we install it, let's go ahead and just do the MagSafe test real quick. So is MagSafe compatible? So no issues at all there. So definitely snug on there. It does stay, but once you start shaking it a lot, it will fall off. So obviously don't go slapping this on a MagSafe car vent, but it definitely is MagSafe compatible. So now let's go ahead and get into the actual screen protector install. So as far as everything goes, like it says here, we'll just do step by step. So step 1, wash my hands, it just did already. Use the alcohol wipe followed by the provided cleaning cloth to remove all dirt and grease. So we'll go ahead and do that first. So I'm gonna do the cleaning wipe first. Let's go ahead and get this wiped down. All right, so we got that wiped down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use well, let's go ahead and see what it says first here. Use the dust absorbers if needed. So obviously it is needed just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a few little dust and lint things that I can see here. And then I'm just gonna slap it back on there. It says step 2, put the phone into the Sentinel case, which I've already done, or Sentinel case, not Sentinel. Clean the screen once again if I needed, but don't need to. On the front of the screen protector, attach a guide sticker to the top and another one to the bottom. So as far as that goes, let's see how this looks. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and attach a guide sticker here at the top and bottom. Okay, carefully peel off the screen tab and completely exposing the sticky side. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, and then using the guide stickers to hold the screen protector, carefully place the exposed side of this phone's display, being sure to align the edges and all the cutouts, yada, yada, yada. So literally, we're just going to use the guide stickers here and try, oh, you gotta be kidding me. And then once that's installed there, then it's just gonna kind of do its thing. And it says to kind of just push so that way everything's just kind of working its way. And sometimes you can just use the provided cleaning cloth to kind of just start squeezing those air bubbles out. Okay, so I think I got it all. There's one little air bubble here, but to be honest with you, it's mainly because the case is on. So I do find it odd that they tell you to install it with the case on, because I don't see that it really helps doing it that way. But I mean, it didn't hurt it necessarily, but I just got to get this little air bubble out. It's like pretty much got it all installed nice and neat, except that one little bubble there. So I'll have to play with it a little bit more. But now that the screen protector's on, it is a complete coverage of the actual screen. So unlike a lot of the other tempered glasses that I've used where it has the cutout where the notch is, this completely covers the phone. You do have a cutout for your earpiece here, but it is completely covering everything. So let me go ahead and do a few different tests with the screen protector on. So as far as everything goes, you can see that it instantly recognizes my face. So it is not affecting the sensors at all with the face unlock. And then let's go ahead and just swipe up, see how it's responsive. Feels just like I don't have a screen protector on there, which is kind of nice. So it's very responsive, no issues at all opening anything here. So yeah, it seems like it works really well, guys. And the cool thing about it, like I said, is it just covers the whole thing. So I'm a big fan of that. So for a $10 combo like this with a full screen protector that's tempered glass with a really nice looking case, it's very slim, it's very lightweight, checks a lot of boxes. So yeah, if you are on a budget, guys, this is definitely a case that I would recommend for sure. So hit that like button, guys, if you like this video. If you loved it, I would really appreciate a sub. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content, and then let me know if you've ever dealt with Olixar before. But yeah, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one.